Hello friends! Today we have an Amazon order to unbox. I love Amazon. Every day is Amazon Day around here. We get packages pretty much every day. We have a special bin out front that says deliver all packages here. It's like a waterproof with a lid and everything. And remember I mentioned that Pepper likes to be outside all the time and sometimes she barks at the UPS guy? Well, she's also been known to grab boxes and mutilate them and leave the contents all over the front yard. So hopefully it actually has been good about keeping her from doing that. So here we go. I know there's at least one diamond painting in here and some other goodies. Let's see what we got. Yep, it's just what I expected. All right, so we got your basic, plasticky paper, air bubble, whatever this stuff is. Goodbye. All right, we got a diamond painting, made in China. It says, let's see, where's my viewfinder here? So 5D dimensional diamond painting DIY. We'll open that in a second. We've got hello, if I can get my camera to catch up, my view to catch up with my camera. We've got a pick-me-up pen I'm looking forward to trying. We've got the DMC stickers with the floss numbers and the book. Let's get this out of the way. The infamous diamond color chart book. Others have reviewed this. They've talked about the different types of charts that are in here, the Da Vinci, the Warhol, etc., etc. So I'm not going to go through it and explain it all because it's been done better and clearer than I would do. But I am looking forward to using this. I've been doing several kits, some from Diamond Dots, and then one, the Red Poppies that I'm working on right now that doesn't have any numbers at all. Doesn't have Diamond Dots numbers, doesn't have DMC numbers. So I'm hoping this will help me identify or get at least close enough to what colors they are to store them with my DMC ones. So there we go, that's that. Looking forward to trying out this pick-me-up pen. I'll let you know how that goes. And the stickers, and of course the main event is the diamond painting. So this is an ocean scene with a moon. I can see the moon through the package here. It's rolled up pretty tight in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, really rolled up tight. There we go. All right. I might have to cut this plastic bag off. I think I'm going to. Do it very carefully here so I don't nick anything inside. There we go. All right, there we go. Put that off to the side. So here we are. We've got this lovely canvas. It's folded from shipping, but we'll check for rivers and all that in a second. Your basic kit, a small square of wax. Your basic pen, no multi-tool, your basic green tray, nothing special. Bye-bye. No inventory sheet. What is it about the kits that I buy that never have inventory sheets? All right, we'll look at the diamonds in a second. Let's look at this canvas first. So let's check the back. I see folding from the shipping, but I do not see anything that looks really nasty. As far as rivers, there's a little bit of, let's see, where's my, a little bit of fraying right there, but probably no big deal. A little tape on there if I need it will be just fine. And let's see if we can flatten this out a little bit by pulling back these corners. Oh, of course, I'm right-handed, so it would help if I did it from my right hand. All right, let's see here. Yeah, it looks fine. The glue looks fine. This is a full drill round, and it feels sticky. So let's see if we can put this back on here. You know, I'm going to end up pulling off this plastic anyway and putting parchment on it, so I'm not real concerned if I can't make it real nice and flat right now. Yeah, it's just, the canvas is fine. It's just the plastic that's bubbling up on these. Yeah, I don't see any problems with the canvas at all. Whoa. So I'm not going to worry if it's not flat because I iron them. And I put parchment paper. Actually, I put parchment paper, then I iron. The glue goes just, you know, your basic eighth, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch off the edge of the picture. Let's measure. It's supposed to be a 40 by 50. Let's see if they measure by canvas size or image size here. There's my ruler. I had it right here a second ago. Yeah, right behind me. Okay, so it's supposed to be 40 by 50. And indeed, it is the canvas size, which is 40 by 50. 40 by 50 exactly. The image size is 35 by 44, which is a very respectable size. The picture looks pretty clear. You can definitely tell it's a beach. So, browns and greens at the bottom, lots of blues in the sky. Lots of checkerboarding in my future, I think. Looks pretty good. Let's look at the diamonds. Excuse the crinkling. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we have, how many colors did we have? Let's see, there's just the one legend. 20 colors. All letters and numbers, no funky symbols. Just the one legend at the top. So here's our colors. And it looks like they all say W979. So that must be the code probably for this canvas. Let's see. Diamond non-edible raw materials. Don't let children play. Lest you entrance, medium, other accident. Oh, this is hilarious. Okay, I have to read this now. Configuration of the diamond with coverage point in the wrong place can be quickly fixed. Printing design need to clean to avoid the dust and the design of impact drill with adhesive. All right, whatever. So I don't see an actual code or anything on here, but it must be this W979. So there are no DMC numbers, there are no anything numbers. My record continues with lack of numbers on my kits. But the colors look pretty good. We'll go ahead and do it this way so you can see the colors. So let's see if I can get this up, get a good light on it here. So there's 1, 2, nice blues. For the sky. Ooh, get it centered here. There we go. So lots of blues for the sky. As you can see, they're all in a big row. Then we get into a little bit of teals and greens. We've got some trees. Dark greens, light greens. Then we get into some browns and orangey browns for the sand. Dark browns. And that's 18. Presumably. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 2 packs of 3s. 4, 5. 2 packs of 6s. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And just some gray and black at the end there. 19 and 20. So, everything looks good. It is what it's supposed to be. I'm sure these creases will come out when I iron it. I'm not too worried about it. The canvas is really thin. Like really thin. But, you know, that's fine, whatever. So it's your basic kit. Let's see, what did this cost me? This was from Amazon. I got it on Prime. It was $10.99. Came in 2 days. I ordered it on, actually I'll confirm that. Let's see. We ordered this on it's delivered today. When did I actually order it? Order details. Okay, so there we go. Ordered on April 4th, which was Thursday. Came today, Sunday, which was fine. I probably ordered it later in the day. Too late to get it by yesterday. So that's it. Good to go. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. And my next Diamond Paint with me will be back on Red Poppies. Probably later tonight. So, well, you won't see it later tonight, of course, but I will be working on it later tonight. So thank you again, and have a great night.